Specific areas in the hypothalamus control secretion of specific hypothalamic releasing inhibitory hormones, or specific areas in the hypothalamus control specific areas in the hypothalamus control secretion of specific hypothalamic releasing and inhibitory hormones. Specific areas in hypothalamus control secretion of specific hypothalamic releasing and inhibitory hormones. hypothalamus के अंदर specific areas कंट्रोल करते हैं hypothalamic releasing and inhibitory hormone. hypothalamic specific areas in the hypothalamus control secretion of specific hypothalamic releasing and inhibitory hormone. Specific areas in the hypothalamus control secretion of specific hypothalamic releasing and inhibitory hormones. Specific areas in the hypothalamus control secretion of specific hypothalamic releasing and inhibitory hormones. Specific areas in the hypothalamus control secretion of specific hypothalamic releasing and inhibitory hormone. Specific areas in the hypothalamus control secretion of specific hypothalamic and releasing and inhibitory hormones. Specific areas in the hypothalamus control secretion of specific hypothalamic releasing and inhibitory hormones. control secretion of specific hypothalamic releasing and inhibitory hormones. hypothalamus के अंदर specific areas कंट्रोल करते हैं hypothalamic releasing और inhibitory hormone की secretion को. All or most of the hypothalamic hormones are secreted at nerve endings in the median eminence before being transported to the anterior pituitary gland. तमाम hypothalamic hormones नर्व एंडिंग पे सिक्रीट होते हैं, मीडियन एमिनेंस की नर्व एंडिंग्स पे सिक्रीट होते हैं बिफोर बीइंग ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू द एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. तमाम hypothalamus hormones are secreted at the nerve endings in the median eminence before being transported to the anterior pituitary gland. all तमाम hypothalamic hormones are all or most of the hypothalamic hormones are secreted at the nerve endings in the median eminence before being all or most of the hypothalamic hormones are secreted at the nerve endings in the median eminence before being transported to the anterior pituitary gland. तमाम और most of the hypothalamic hormones hypothalamic secrete होते हैं nerve endings पे median eminence की before being transported to the anterior pituitary gland. anterior pituitary gland जाने से पहले हार्मोन secrete होते हैं nerve endings of the median eminence. The electrical stimulation of this region excites these nerve endings and therefore cause the release of essentially all other hypothalamic release hormone. nerve endings उसके बाद क्या होता है कि nerve ending एक्साइट हो जाती है इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टिमुलेशन की वजह से, जिसकी वजह से therefore causes release of essentially all hypothalamic hormones, जिसकी वजह से hypothalamic hormone रिलीज हो जाते हैं. however the neuronal cell bodies that give rise to these median eminence nerve endings are located in the discrete are located in other discrete areas of the hypothalamus, or in closely related areas of the basal brain. हाइपोथैलेमस के अंदर स्पेसिफिक एरियाज होते हैं. स्पेसिफिक एरियाज इन हाइपोथैलेमस कंट्रोल सेक्रीशन ऑफ स्पेसिफिक हाइपोथैलेमिक रिलीजिंग एंड इनहिबिटरी हार्मोन्स. स्पेसिफिक एरियाज इन हाइपोथैलेमस के अंदर स्पेसिफिक एरियाज इन हाइपोथैलेमस को कंट्रोल करते हैं. हाइपोथैलेमस के अंदर स्पेसिफिक एरियाज हाइपोथैलेमिक रिलीजिंग और इनहिबिटरी हार्मोन की सिक्रीशन को कंट्रोल करते हैं. All or most of the hypothalamic hormones are secreted at nerve endings in the median. All or most of the hypothalamic hormones are secreted at the nerve endings. All or most of the hypothalamic hormones are secreted at nerve endings in the median eminence before being transported to the anterior pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary gland being transported to the anterior pituitary gland. All or most of the hypothalamic hormones are secreted at the nerve endings in the median eminence before being transported to the anterior pituitary gland. तमाम hypothalamic hormones nerve endings are secreted at the nerve endings. Hypothalamic hormones are secreted at nerve endings. Are secreted at the nerve ending in the median eminence before being transported to the anterior pituitary gland. Electrical stimulation of this region excites these nerve endings and therefore causes the release of essentially all hypothalamic hormones. However, the neuronal cell bodies that give rise to the median eminence nerve endings are located in other discrete areas of the hypothalamus and are closely or in closely related areas of the basal brain. हाइपोथैलेमिक रिलीजिंग और इनहिबिटिंग हार्मोन की सिक्रीशन को स्पेसिफिक एरियाज इन हाइपोथैलेमस कंट्रोल करते हैं. पहला पॉइंट हो गया स्पेसिफिक एरियाज. Most of the hypothalamic hormones are secreted at nerve endings in the median eminence before being transported to the anterior pituitary gland. ये दूसरा पॉइंट हो गया नर्व एंडिंग्स. यानी कि ये हाइपोथैलेमिक हार्मोन सिक्रीट होते हैं नर्व एंडिंग्स के ऊपर. इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टिमुलेशन ऑफ दिस रीजन excites the nerve endings and therefore causes the release of essentially all. तीसरा पॉइंट हो गया इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल. तो हाइपोथैलेमस के अंदर स्पेसिफिक एरियाज होते हैं. जो कि हाइपोथैलेमिक रिलीजिंग और इनहिबिटरी हार्मोन को कंट्रोल करते हैं. अच्छा, और इसमें ये हो जाएगा कि दूसरा पॉइंट नर्व एंडिंग्स है. नर्व एंडिंग्स के ऊपर हार्मोन सिक्रीट होते हैं जो कि मीडियन एमिनेंस में होता है. बिफोर बीइंग ट्रांसपोर्टेड टू द एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. इनकी स्टिमुलेशन होती है. इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टिमुलेशन ऑफ दिस रीजन इनसाइड द नर्व एंडिंग्स. और द न्यूरोनल सेल बॉडीज. चौथा पॉइंट हो गया न्यूरोनल सेल बॉडीज. पहला पॉइंट कौन सा है कि स्पेसिफिक एरियाज इन द हाइपोथैलेमस. दूसरा पॉइंट है नर्व एंडिंग. तीसरा पॉइंट इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टिमुलेशन न्यूरोनल सेल बॉडीज दैट गिव राइज टू नर्व एंडिंग्स. स्पेसिफिक एरियाज यानी कि हाइपोथैलेमिक रिलीजिंग और इनहिबिटरी हार्मोन को कंट्रोल करते हैं, की सिक्रीशन को कंट्रोल करते हैं स्पेसिफिक एरियाज. दूसरा पॉइंट है नर्व एंडिंग्स. ये हार्मोन नर्व एंडिंग्स पे रिलीज होते हैं. तीसरा पॉइंट इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टिमुलेशन. नर्व एंडिंग्स की इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टिमुलेशन होती है. चौथा पॉइंट है कि however the neuronal cell bodies that give rise to the median eminence nerve endings are located in other discrete areas of the hypothalamus or closely related areas of the brain. However, the neuronal cell bodies that give rise to these median eminence nerve endings are closely are located in other discrete areas of the hypothalamus or in closely related areas. And however, the neuronal cell bodies that give rise to the medianous nerve endings are located in discrete areas of the hypothalamus, in closely related areas of the basal brain, closely related areas of the basal brain. तो इसके बाद इसका पांचवा पॉइंट हो जाएगा इन डिस्क्रीट एरियाज ऑफ द इन द डिस्क्रीट एरियाज ऑफ द हाइपोथैलेमस. हाइपोथैलेमस की सिक्रीशन को स्पेसिफिक एरियाज कंट्रोल करते हैं. हाइपोथैलेमिक हार्मोन पहले नर्व एंडिंग्स पे रिलीज होते हैं और इन नर्व एंडिंग्स की इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टिमुलेशन होती है जिसकी वजह से ये हार्मोन रिलीज हो जाते हैं. और फिर जो न्यूरॉनल सेल बॉडीज जो 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 इन सेल बॉडीज़ को का वजूद कायम करती हैं वो डिस्क्रीट एरियाज ऑफ ब्रेन में मौजूद होती हैं. फिजियोलॉजिकल फंक्शन ऑफ ग्रोथ हार्मोन ऑल द मेजर फिजियोलॉजिकल फंक्शन ऑफ ग्रोथ हार्मोन. पहला पॉइंट हो गया फिजियोलॉजिकल फंक्शन. ऑल द मेजर anterior pituitary hormones except for growth hormone exert their principal effects mainly by stimulating target glands including thyroid gland, adrenal cortex, ovaries, testicles and mammary gland. All the major anterior hormones except for growth hormone exert their principal effects mainly by stimulating the target cells. Stimulating the target cells including thyroid gland, adrenal cortex, ovaries, testicles and mammary glands. फिजियोलॉजिकल फंक्शन ऑफ ग्रोथ हार्मोन. अब हम फिजियोलॉजिकल फंक्शन ऑफ ग्रोथ हार्मोन पढ़ रहे हैं. इसका पहला पॉइंट हो जाएगा स्टिमुलेट all major anterior pituitary hormones except for growth hormone exert their principal effects. जो सारे anterior pituitary hormones होते हैं सारे anterior pituitary hormones होते हैं except growth hormone exert their effects by stimulating the target cells including thyroid gland, gonads, testicles, ovaries, ovaries, adrenal cortex and mammary glands. The function of each of these pituitary hormones are so intimately concerned with the functions of the respective target cells that except for GH their function are discussed in subsequent chapters along with targets. The function of each of these pituitary hormones are so intimately concerned with the function of the respective target cells function of the respective target cell that except for growth hormone the function are discussed in subsequent chapters along with the target cells. Growth hormone however exerts its effect directly on or almost all parts of the body. फिजियोलॉजिकल फंक्शन ऑफ ग्रोथ हार्मोन हम पढ़ रहे हैं. इसमें पहले ये होता है कि स्टिमुलेट करता है. होता किस तरह है कि स्टिमुलेट करता है. पहला पॉइंट है स्टिमुलेट. दूसरा पॉइंट है कंसर्न. तीसरा पॉइंट है ग्रोथ हार्मोन. स्टिमुलेट, कंसर्न, ग्रोथ हार्मोन. ये सारे ग्रोथ हार्मोन अपना काम किस तरह दिखाते हैं. अब मतलब टारगेट सेल्स को स्टिमुलेट करके अपना काम शो करते हैं. टारगेट सेल आप कौन कौन से होते हैं कि थायराइड ग्लैंड, एड्रिनल कॉर्टेक्स, ओवरीज, टेस्टिकल्स एंड मेमरी ग्लैंड. The function of each of these pituitary hormones are so intimately concerned with the function of the respective target cell that except for growth hormone all इसमें so concerned हो जाएगा. बहुत ज़्यादा कंसर्न होते हैं फंक्शन इसके साथ टारगेट सेल के साथ और ग्रोथ हार्मोन एक्सर्ट करता है ऑन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. अभी हम पढ़ रहे थे फिजियोलॉजिकल फंक्शंस ऑफ ग्रोथ हार्मोन. इसमें क्या होगा कि स्टिमुलेट और सो कंसर्न और ग्रोथ हार्मोन 3 पॉइंट्स हैं. स्टिमुलेट ये है कि भाई ग्रोथ हार्मोन अपना हाइपोथैलेमिक रिलीजिंग हार्मोन अपना स्टिमुलेट करते हैं टारगेट सेल्स को और अपने हाइपोथैलेमिक रिलीजिंग हार्मोन स्टिमुलेट करते हैं टारगेट सेल्स को और अपना फंक्शन दिखाते हैं. टारगेट सेल कौन कौन से हो जाएंगे. टेस्टीज, ओवरीज और थायराइड ग्लैंड और एड्रिनल कॉर्टेक्स. थायराइड ग्लैंड और एड्रिनल कॉर्टेक्स. और दूसरा पॉइंट है सो कंसर्न इनके द फंक्शन ऑफ ईच ऑफ द पिट्यूटरी हार्मोन. The function of each of the pituitary hormones are so concerned with the function of each of these pituitary hormones are so concerned with the hypothalamic hormone that are so concerned with the The function of each of these pituitary hormone are so concerned with the structure of the target cell that each of these has been discussed separately. And now the third each has been discussed separately. The third point is growth hormone. Growth hormone, however, exerts its function on almost all parts of the body. Growth hormone promotes growth of many body tissues. अब हम ग्रोथ हार्मोन के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं, जो इसका पहला पॉइंट हो जाएगा प्रोमोट ग्रोथ हार्मोन, आल्सो कॉल्ड सोमेटोट्रॉपिक हार्मोन और सोमेटोट्रोपिन. Somatotrophic hormone or somatotropin. Somatotrophic hormone or somatotropin is a small protein molecule that contains 191 amino acid in a single chain. That contains 191 amino acid in a single chain and has a molecular weight of 22,005 and a molecular weight of 22,005. ग्रोथ हार्मोन या स्मॉल प्रोटीन दैट कैन, ये पहला पॉइंट हो जाएगा प्रोटीन. ग्रोथ हार्मोन और सोमेटोट्रोपिन हार्मोन इज अ स्मॉल प्रोटीन that contains 191 amino acid with a molecular and has a molecular weight of 22,005. It causes growth of almost all tissues of the body that are capable of growing. It causes growth of almost all tissues of the body it promotes increased sizes of the cells and increased mitosis with the development of greater number of cells and specific differentiation of certain types of cells such as bone growth cells and early muscle cells. It promotes increased sizes of the cells and increased mitosis. It promotes increased sizes of the cell, increased mitosis with development of greater number of cells, and specific differentiation of certain types of cells such as bone growth and early muscles. It will cause increase in size, mitosis, number, differentiation of certain types of cells such as bone growth, certain differentiation of certain types of cells such as bone growth and early muscle cells, bone growth and early muscle cells such as bone growth and early muscle cells. It causes the increased sizes, mitosis, number, differentiation, sizes, mitosis, number, differentiation, sizes, mitosis, number, differentiation, sizes, mitosis, number, differentiation, sizes, mitosis, sizes, mitosis, number, differentiation, 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 sizes, mitosis, number, differentiation. It causes growth of almost all tissues of the body that are capable of growing. It promotes increased sizes of cells, increased mitosis with the development of greater number of cells, and specific differentiation of certain types of cells such as growth of bone and early muscle cells. Sizes, mitosis, number, differentiation, Growth hormone promotes growth of many body tissues. Growth hormone, also called as somatotrophic or somatotropin hormone, is a small protein protein that contains 191 amino acid in a single chain with a molecular weight of 22,005. It causes growth of almost all tissues of the body that are capable of growing. It promotes increased sizes of the cell, mitosis number, differentiation. The sizes, mitosis number, and differentiation. Such as bone growth. Growth hormone promotes growth of many body tissues. Growth hormone, also called as somatotropic or somatotropin hormone, is a small protein molecule that contains 191 amino acid and has a molecular weight of 22,005. It causes growth of almost all tissues of the body, and it causes growth of almost all tissues of the body that are capable of growing. It promotes increased sizes of the cell and increased mitosis with the development of greater number of cells and specific differentiation of certain types of cells such as bone growth and early muscle cells. इसमें क्या हो जाएगा कि ग्रोथ हार्मोन प्रमोट करता है ग्रोथ ऑफ मैनी टिश्यूज ऑफ द बॉडी. It is a protein molecule and it causes almost all tissues of the growth of almost all tissues, and sizes number differentiation, sizes mitosis number differentiation, which is bone growth. Sizes, mitosis, number, and differentiation. Growth hormone promotes growth of many parts of the growth hormone promotes growth of many body tissues. Growth hormone, also called as somatotropic hormone or somatotropin, is a protein molecule that contains 191 amino acid with the molecular weight of 22,005. Growth hormone causes growth of almost all tissues of the body that are capable of growing. Sizes, mitosis, number differentiation. Sizes, mitosis, number differentiation. It causes promotes increased sizes of the cell, increased mitosis, increase the development of greater number of cells, specific differentiation of certain types of cells such as bone growth and early muscle cell. It promotes sizes, mitosis, number differentiation. Sizes, mitosis, number differentiation. It promotes increased sizes of the cell, it promotes increased sizes of the cell, increased mitosis. It promotes increased sizes of the cells, increased mitosis with the development of greater number of increased sizes of the cell, increased mitosis with the development of greater number of cells. Specific differentiation of certain type of cells such as bone growth cells and early muscle cells. Sizes, mitosis, number differentiation. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It promotes increased sizes of the cell, increased mitosis number, the development of greater number of cells, and differentiation, specific differentiation of certain type of cells such as bone growth and early muscle cells. It promotes increased mitosis, increased sizes of the cell, sizes, mitosis, greater increased mitosis, with number development of greater number of cells, differentiation of specific differentiation of certain types of cells is bone growth and early muscle cells. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It promotes increased sizes, mitosis, increased mitosis, development of greater number of cells, sizes, mitosis, number differentiation, and promotes specific differentiation of certain type of cells such as bone growth and early muscle cells. तो हम पढ़ रहे हैं कि भाई जैसे कि हम चीज़ पढ़ रहे हैं, ग्रोथ हार्मोन प्रमोट्स ग्रोथ ऑफ मेनी टिश्यूज ऑफ द बॉडी. ग्रोथ हार्मोन प्रमोट्स ग्रोथ ऑफ वेरी मनी टिश्यूज ऑफ द बॉडी, प्रोटीन, almost all tissues of the body, and then sizes, mitosis, number and differentiation of certain type of cells such as bone and growth and early muscle cell. Figure 76.5 shows typical weight charts of the Figure 76.5 shows typical weight charts of two growing littermate rats. One received daily injection of growth hormone, another did not receive. Rats. One received daily injection of the growth hormone, another did not receive. This figure shows marked enhancement of growth in rat given growth hormone in the early days of life, and even after the two rats reach the adulthood. Even after that, in the early days of life, and even after the two rats reach adulthood. In the early days of life, and even after the two rats reach adulthood. In the early stages of development, all organs of the treated rat increase proportionality in size. All organs of the treated rat increase proportionality in size. After adulthood was reached, most of the bones stopped lengthening. Most of the bones stopped lengthening. But many of the soft tissues continue to grow. Many of the soft tissues continue to grow because organs, bones, soft tissues. Once the epiphyses of the long bones have united with the shaft, further lengthening of the bone cannot occur. Further lengthening of the bone cannot occur, and even though other tissues of the and even though many other tissues of the body can continue to grow throughout life. Other tissues of the body can continue to grow throughout life. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. ऑर्गन्स, बोन्स, सॉफ्ट टिश्यूज़, एपिफाइसिस एंड अदर टिश्यूज़. ऑर्गन्स, बोन्स ऑफ. तो इस एग्जांपल में जो कि रैट्स में एक को ग्रोथ हार्मोन दिया गया था और एक को नहीं दिया था. इसमें हमारे पास 4 पॉइंट्स हैं. ऑर्गन्स, बोन्स, सॉफ्ट टिश्यूज़, एपिफाइसिस एंड अदर टिश्यूज़. ऑर्गन्स, बोन्स, सॉफ्ट टिश्यूज़, epiphyses and other tissues. Organs, bones, soft tissues, 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 epiphyses and other tissues. All organs continue. All organ treated increases in size. Most of the bones stop lengthening. Soft tissues continue to grow. Once the epiphysis is long, further elongation cannot occur, and though many other tissues continue to grow throughout life. All organs. All organs continue to grow through all